storm hits Duisburg. Residents report heavy hail, especially in one area, with hailstones the size of table tennis balls. The storm hit Duisburg on Tuesday evening. According to initial findings, the Mitte district was the worst affected. Severe thunderstorms from 13.24 August 1840 until forecast 13.24 August 1930. Thunderstorms coming from the south. There will be storms with speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, 22 meters per second, 44 kn, BFT9. As well as heavy rain with rainfall amounts between 15 L per square meter and 25 L per square meter per hour and hail. Traffic on the A59 was also halted. Highways in the central area were flooded. Following the extreme heat warning, the German Weather Service, DWD, issued a severe weather warning for Duisburg until 7:30 p.m. on Tuesday evening. Thunderstorms are coming from the south. Strong wind gusts of up to 105 kilometers per hour, as well as heavy rain of between 40 L per square meter and 60 L per square meter per hour and hail are expected, the DWD said.